Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a quick video for you guys today. It is my SCENTBOX unboxing. This should be my monthly subscription. Honestly, I filled out my queue a few months ago. I don't really remember the fragrance that I signed up for. Nice to see that they are putting the liquid notification on here because you guys know the Postal Service requires it. Okay, so as usual, we get a whole bunch of stuff. This is Naked Wine. If you want to use this voucher, go ahead. There's two sides to it. Same password, I believe. And we've got there was this HelloFresh. So if you would like HelloFresh, there's a code on here. Okay, and then, so you always get a little card. Well, you don't always. Normally, you get a card every month, and they have a suggested fragrance for him and for her each month. It's just a suggestion for you to consider to put into your monthly subscription. So let's see what we got here. We've got Dylan Blue by Versace for the men. It says an allusion to the Mediterranean Sea and its culture is apparent. Modern, fresh, incisive, intense, profound, and sensual with notes of aquatic, grapefruit, bergamot, and pepper. So that's this one here. Okay, and then on the ladies' side, it is also Versace. It is Bright Crystal. Bright Crystal is a fresh, sensual blend of refreshing, chilled yuzu mingled with soothing blossoms of peony and lotus flower, warmed with notes of musk and amber, inspired by a mixture of Versace's favorite floral fragrances. Again, yuzu, pomegranate, lotus, and peony are the notes. This one sounds a little too floral for me. Although you never know. Sometimes you smell it and it's better than you think. So here's my scent box for the month. This is how they come every month. Got my little shipping mailer that tells me what I picked. So pull that out. Let's see what color the atomizer is. Ooh, it's pretty. It's pink. Kind of a purpley pink. So I got Good Girl Gold Fantasy by Carolina Herrera. I have really liked Carolina Herrera. There it is. And now, as you guys can see, this is actually a full atomizer with a full month. I told you guys I've had two atomizers come. I think the one is here, that have not been full. So they were kind enough to send me a free refill. This one's pretty full, but it was this. I got this as a refill to the one, because it had spilled out to about right here. So really great company. Their customer service was really, really great. This is SCENTBOX. Now, not to be confused with other fragrance companies like Scentbird. This is SCENTBOX, okay? Different company. When I had that issue, I just contacted them via their website, and they just shipped me out a new atomizer, which is the one you saw here. No issues. Now, the other nice thing is you can do an exchange. If you don't like the fragrance, you get it, you spray it, you smell it, and you're like, ooh, not me. You can have a free exchange. Now, you don't get to use half the atomizer, half the fragrance, and then tell them you want another one. They won't do that. But I don't have anything on. It's the weekend. I don't have any fragrance on. I'm going to try this because I have not tried this fragrance from Carolina Herrera. Just a little. Now remember, you don't crush the notes by mixing them or rubbing. You tap to transfer it. Ooh, it smells yummy. Ooh, I like that. Different, but I like it. So I really like fragrances that have jasmine. And so I'm always on the hunt for fragrances with jasmine. This one, if it has it in there, and I don't remember that it does, it's not real strong sense of jasmine, but this is a nice fragrance. So again, if you go like this, it's called crushing the notes, and you can kind of destroy the fragrance. So if you want to just transfer it, you can just tap. You don't want to rub and get heat. So yeah, SCENTBOX is a monthly fragrance. There are several different levels depending on the price point of the fragrances you want to try. There's different levels each month. I have probably for about a year, I was on their introductory level, and then I bumped up. I'm at their premium level right now. I believe this is like $22 a month for me. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I actually am starting to accumulate a lot of fragrances. What I need to probably do is, I've got a lot. I've got a number of referral coupons I need to use. So what that is if you use my referral link down below that's in the description, you get your second month for free, okay? You pay the normal subscription, whatever level you decide to go in, you pay that your first month. The second month is free. I did that. I used another influencer's code. I got my second month for free. Now you can go on their website and they'll give you a little bit off your first month. I feel like it's $5 or $6 or $7 off, but it's not free. But that's your first month, and then you're paying, the whatever level your regular price from there on in. I like the idea of getting an actual free month, so that's what I did, and I encourage you to consider that. I appreciate it. What happens if you use my referral link is I get a free atomizer, a fragrance of my choice. So I have a couple of those I think I need to use, and I appreciate it so much for you guys who have done that. But like I said, I'm starting to accumulate a lot of these, and I actually might be looking at putting the subscription on hold just because I think I probably have like 20 or 25 fragrances that are in various stages of use. And actually I need to be doing my empties video. I think I've got one or more of these atomizers that I've used up this month, or actually it's probably 2 months, but yeah, so that's the deal. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I've got a referral down below. I really like this fragrance. Again, it is Good Girl Gold Fantasy by Carolina Herrera. So I like it. It smells really nice. We'll see how long it stays. I don't know. I was curious. I usually get the eau de parfums or the parfums. I do not try to get any fragrance that is an eau de toilette because those are just it's not as strong of a fragrance, and you usually have to use up more of it. So I'm always looking for an actual parfum, and this is an EDP eau de parfum. Yeah, good stuff. So I got a lot of stuff, guys. I went to the post office, got a couple of things to unbox with you guys. Like I said, I have my empties coming up. I think I'll do that for Mask Monday. And a lot of stuff going on in life right now. So we got a couple things to talk about, guys. So hopefully I will see y'all in my next video, but have a great day. Bye, guys.